Hello viewers, I thought I'd make a short video today concerning the destruction of the Battle of Alligator Creek or Tenaroo location. I wanted to show the difference from 2019 to 2024. This painting, by the way, is by the artist Peter Dennis. It's one of the most accurate of the battles I've ever seen. Here we're looking at a 2023 photo of Alligator Creek. So this is facing west. In the foreground is a large gravel pit owned by a Chinese business. On the other side is a sailboarding place. And you can see how the battlefield has basically been destroyed. It's so bad now, I honestly hate taking tourists to it. It really breaks my heart. Now this is drone footage by my friend Michael Holmesby. So this is taken in 2019. You're about to see a vast difference. Now you can go back to my, I think I took it in 2018. I actually walked the ground of Alligator Creek. It's actually on my channel, so if you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and see it. So I'll walk you through basically this drone footage here. So we're looking due east, and we'll start to pan around. So the time of the battle, and I've got some photos I'll show in a minute, it was all Lever Brother coconut plantations. So we're seeing some coconut trees here and with a mixture of banana trees. So we're spinning around. This is to be facing south or southeast at this stage. And you can start to see Alligator Creek there to your right. Now as we start to move to the west, you'll see what is Honiara International Airport, Henderson Field back in 1942. So during the time of the battle, it wasn't the runway that wasn't that far out. So due to modern aircraft, they extended it a few hundred feet. So now this is a photograph, the aerial, roughly around the time of the battle. You can see the well-planted coconut trees. So moving back, facing west. Now we're moving toward the American position. So they're on the other side of the creek. The Japanese were basically moving in the direction the Japanese are going. So you can see the sandbar there. And it's roughly about the same size it was in August the 21st, 1942. Very small lagoon there. We start to face south. So the Marines have positions all up and down that bank. This was all coconut plantations, and the Japanese were actually in these plantations. It was after the second wave that Ichiki, the Japanese commander, actually brought up the 70mm guns and the heavy machine guns for support after listening to one of his company commanders finally. So you can see the good infiltrating fire that the Marines could pour down from machine guns. Robert Leckie at the HBO Pacific series was roughly around that bend. So this is the eye view that the Japanese would have had. Well, obviously it was dark at the time, but this is from ground level. Unfortunately, nowadays, as you've seen from the first photo, this is all gone. This is all gravel pits. This is a August the 21st photograph. This is a third wave, the one that tried to infiltrate through the sea. You see the Marines walking around, checking the bodies out. Just another view of the Marine positions and the sandbar. As it pivots to the left or to the south, you can start to see the enfilading fire the Marines would have had straight on that sandbar with the heavy machine guns, BARs, light machine guns, and the 37mm anti-tank guns. This is the Japanese positions, back facing west again. This next photo is actually taken when the planes were flying over on the 20th of August, when the first planes came in. So you can really see it's a great photo. The Marines are down there putting down one string of barbed wire, by the way. Back to the 2019 view. That's my friend Michael Holmesby's white vehicles there, and the drone will start to move toward it. Then it pans, goes away. Here's some up-close photos of the Japanese dead. The Marine bunkers are to the left, and that was the ones that tried to infiltrate through the sea. This is an example of a Marine bunker. This particular one was located about 400 meters down the stream. This is a memorial to the Ichiki detachment. It was put over one of the large burial pits that they later excavated in the 80s. Well, thanks for watching this short video. I hate to have to mention the destruction of this important site, but at least we have preserved something for future generations. Thanks again.